Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video, we're gonna work on a new scenario by the name of cyclic rotation over Codility, and we challenge it as an interview question. And so what is this? Actually, this scenario asks you to rotate an array to the right by a given number of steps. And so if we go through details, you will see an array by the name of A consisting of n integers is given, and rotation of the array means that each element is shifted right by one index. So each element shift to the right side by one, and the last element of the array is moved to the first. So the last one gonna move to the first. And for example, you will see this array gonna be this one. So you will see 6 come at the beginning and the rest gonna shift to the right one time if k is equal 1. So the goal is rotate array k times. So today approach gonna be by Java, and so our function signature will be like this. It's gonna be public output of array integer, gonna be our output, and so our function name gonna be solution, and parameter 1 or 0 gonna be a, and which is an array of integer, and parameter 2 or 1 gonna be k. So this is a two example you can see and output. So we can start. So in real interview online assessment, so when you start, you will see your time limit and number of the task. This is a demo, so you will have one really good time limit and one task. So we can start. Then we will direct to the page that on the left side you will have scenario, and on the right side you will have your code and your file, which is include your Java file and test case file, which is a text. And just be aware that maybe you've been asked that have a tool, you can just skip it. So yeah, let's start. So this is going to be our start point. So first of all, I'm gonna write my time complexity. I don't want to forget it. So time complexity gonna be O notation. I think it's gonna be n k times. But and space complexity gonna be O notation, I believe n, but if you think it's n k times, I'm not sure, so you can fix it in comments. Also, if you have better solution, yeah, then we are more than welcome to share it with us in your in comment area in this video. Okay, so inside our function, I start with one case. So I just say, let's see if any option give it to me. No, just if. Yeah. If my array length, you'll see that in Java it helps us for typing faster. That's good. In Swift it didn't. Okay, so return A. Also, like Swift, if you like, you can add more cases. I'm gonna add maybe later. Okay, so then I'm gonna write one for loop, which is integer I equals 0 until my I is smaller than k and my I gonna be increased 1 step each time. So then I say integer j and last. So here I'm gonna write description. This is good. You know, in Swift we didn't do that, but it's good to do this because you will talk with your you know, interviewer. That's you know, why you did this, and just share, you know, your story, you know, your thinking, how you think with them. So last element of array. So we store last element here. So last equal my a, array a, and then a dot length minus 1. So this is the last element. Yeah, we store it. Then what do? We gonna for j equal a dot length minus 1. Yeah, so another loop inside that, and j bigger than 0 until j is bigger than 0, and then j minus 1. And so here I'm gonna do shift. So shift element of array by 1. For sure, this is not the best solution. This is just a solution, and we can share better solution if we find in comments with each other. Okay, and so yeah, now before my main loop being closed, so I'm gonna put last elements of array back. Actually to the start point of array, yeah? So here I just say a 0 equal last. So now here, before I close my function, I'm gonna return a. Okay, so let's run this and see if it's work fine or not. So we got some syntax error. Oops. Yeah, here I made the same mistake. So yeah, here I made another mistake, and now we are good. So you will see that my test cases and results which pass. This is of course is not best solution. It's a pretty easy solution, but it's a solution, and we want to just test this. So you can go to test case and add more test case. Make sure to do that in the interview and try to cover everything. For example, here if I want to improve this, I can here add here some more condition. For example, if length was 0, makes sense. But if a dot length equal with k, or was equal with k, or k was equal 0, for all of these cases, still I'm gonna return a. Also I make 2 loop, that's why it's gonna be n, so that I think a space complexity gonna be n k times n. For sure we can do something better than this, and I will share it with you in comments. Okay, let's try to submit it. Still we're not done, so I'm gonna submit this to see if it's accepted solution and pass other test cases. Okay, so when you do it, and you will see time spent was 10 minutes. It's too much, but because I explained to you, and here you can see video of how you done, and also usually show here to you time complexity, but here can't Codility couldn't calculate it, and so it's past 100%, and yeah, you will see how it's our results. And yeah, that's it for today. Our solution with Java for cyclist rotation problem in Codility. I hope you'll enjoy and have a good one. And please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like it, and be subscribed for more video coming weekly. Have a good one. Bye.